do is we're going to take a look at this permanent makeup that is done at your office. And we'll take a look at that tape. You'd like the before and after on that one because we've got to wait for the numbing cream to work. So watch this. You'll like this too. We'll be right back. Watch it. Don't go anywhere. Here we go.
We're here at Spa Medica, and Chrissy decided to do some permanent makeup. Why are you doing it?
Well, not that I don't look absolutely fabulous without my makeup.
Of course. Of course.
No, the reality is this. Many years ago, when I was a little girl, I ran into a wall, and I have a scar here, and the eyebrow doesn't grow in that particular spot. I've lived with it all of these years, but actually, as you get older, your eyebrows thin out, and I really want to take care of it now because it is becoming more and more noticeable as time goes on. And since I'm here, I'm also going to get some eyeliner done as well.
So, Tina, there have been some changes in permanent makeup over the years, hasn't there?
Definitely. A lot of innovation and a lot of refinement of the technique. It is now so natural and undetectable that any woman can feel confident that she's always looking her best with this technique.
So, how does it work?
The technique is very, very special here at Spa Medica. I've developed it. It's called feathering. And what it is I use a very small handheld tool the size of a brush, and I actually draw tiny little hair strokes on the eyebrows, or I do a little soft, smudgy eyeliner right in the eyes, and a blended lip color in the lips. And so women know it's very natural and it's extreme precision. They don't want that hard, bold look of Dynasty in the 80s. They want soft and natural, undetectable, and something they wake up and they look good right in the morning.
What does it feel like?
It feels like a very slight sensation. We use a topical anesthetic, and so it feels very much like plucking. It's been a couple of months now after Chrissy's procedure, and she has no eye makeup on at all.
Yeah, I'm feeling quite great about it, and I'm really happy with the results. Very, very happy indeed.
Yeah, Chrissy, looks great.
Thank you. Well, I usually do what makeup works.
All right. And she loves it.